Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi is reportedly going to launch a new smartphone on October 15th and expand its Mi Mix lineup. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. A poster showing the name Mi Mix 3 with the launch date of October 15th has been spotted on Chinese microblogging website Weibo and states the Nanjing Olympics Sports Center is the launch venue. There is no confirmation about this from the company so far. Previously, Xiaomi's president Lin Bin had confirmed an October launch for the upcoming Mi Mix 3, and CEO Lei Jun had also said that he will force his colleagues to speed up the mass production and fight for large-scale sales by the end of October. Back when the October launch was hinted, it was also alleged that the Mi Mix 3 will house an all-display design on the front and a slider camera mechanism that was first seen on the Oppo Find X. An image was spotted on Weibo that flaunts the slider mechanism, and it appears that the rear camera is also included on the slider, even though the image only shows the front side of the smartphone. In terms of specifications, the upcoming Mi Mix 3 is expected to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor clubbed with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. It is still a debate if the smartphone will run Android 8.1 Oreo or Android P out of the box. And apart from the sliding camera, if there's something new, we just have to wait for the launch. So that would be it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.